How did you land the internship?
That's actually a very interesting story. They were playing Among Us. So I thought, yeah, maybe I can also play. You need to be in the right room and know the right people.
How did you land the internship?
That's actually a very interesting story. Like I said, I was very active in Punjab, and there used to be uh, a Discord group that we were a part of. We were like 5 people, and I was just a random person because they were playing Among Us. So I thought, yeah, maybe I can also play. And in that group, one of the designers who were already working at Dunzo had put a message that I'm looking for an intern. Like not that Dunzo is looking for an intern if you know anybody. And I just immediately pinged him that, hey, I'm there, I'm available, I had my portfolio ready and I just sent it. So that's what I say that you need to be in the right room and know the right people. I didn't do it actively that I was actively, looking out or be trying to be in every room, all of that. But yeah, I think it just happened. So I would say like some luck is also involved. Like I wouldn't know that there's a B opening. I was just there to play a game. Like Among Us, or maybe get to know a few people in the industry or make some friends. Right. And yeah, and that's how it happened. And my second job, this is Swiggy, I got it through the same circle.
Oh wow. So that community is important.
Yeah, community and the people are important.
Mm.
Right?
That's true.
Because that's how you build like from a community. You start to have like a very safe small circle where who actually become your friends in life and the person that you can go to get any opinion in life about design and your career, because it's not like if you get into Google or any company that you dream of, things become easier. It doesn't. You need a group of people around you who you can trust, um, and just have a conversation and maybe rant about things in life.
Community is important, and I think knowing that being on social media, just being out there, right? Out there, being part of community, knowing people from the companies.
Yeah, I mean, it's just this. It's debatable out there because if someone asks me, am I out there? I'm in the middle. I'm not completely out there, but I'm out there. Right? I maybe don't feel fully comfortable in putting myself completely out there, but there are people who are completely out there, who put all of their work, or who talk, who teach, right? Maybe I feel that I'm not uh at that place in life where I want to do that or I can do that. But yeah, if you're someone who can do that, you can put yourself somewhere new, go ahead. But if you are someone who believe in making a small group of friends, that is also okay, right? So, but yeah, you need to have some support system. You need to have some connections. Um, yeah.